guys? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. This is Mo Crypto and welcome back to the channel. Two main things. One is Merry Christmas. Today is the 25th. For everybody who's celebrating, just Merry Christmas. You know, enjoy your day with your family and friends. Happy holidays to whoever is not celebrating Christmas, celebrating other things. Second thing is, look at the liquidity of Warren Finance. It's at $786,000, right? So what's happening is that it's slowly climbing. Slowly climbing means sustainable, means people are slowly dollar cost averaging themselves into the protocol. There's some days that the money flowing into the protocol is very high, like when we saw when it was 600,000, it jumped up to 700,000 after an AMA with Sparkswap. There's days where it goes from 730,000 to 780,000, which is still not little, right? It's still something, but it's not really going down. So the ups and downs might have to do with the pulse being tied with the liquidity, because it is a lot of LPs which are the Dai-WPLS LPs, but it could also mean that people are slowly adding more and more bonds, including myself. Right now, I'm not going to do anything on camera because I did it this morning, and right now it's 1 a.m. And when I woke up this morning around 3 p.m. Well, when I woke up this morning and later on in the afternoon around 3 p.m. I did my rebond. But you guys can see over here, I have stakes going on, right? The last stake that I have is 4 days ago. But if I go to my bonds over here, you guys can see that I have 2 rebonds going, right? So I had my rebond on the 22nd of December, and I have my rebond of the 24th of December worth 11,931. We do 11,931 multiplied by the price of Warren right now. It's around $192, which includes the 30% that got added, right? So I rebonded somewhere around $145, which is 2 days worth. You guys can see here on my bond, I had one on my bond tab. I had one on the 22nd, one on the 24th. So it was a 2 days worth rebond. And you guys can notice that we just jumped over 3% daily income. So that's pretty cool. The base was 2. Liquidity is increasing, so it's at 0.56%, and the hold bonus is at 0.45, and that's going to keep increasing every day that you're holding, every day that you're holding. So it goes up by 0.05%. So right now you guys can see we've been holding for many days. I think this is 9 days now that we're in this protocol. So it's awesome, guys. It's awesome. It's doing everything that it's supposed to do. So I'm not going to really rebond right now, but I just want to let you guys know what I did. Now, on that same page, what I did as well is that on the farms of Sparkswap, what I did this morning, if you guys noticed the video, I said I'm going to be dollar cost averaging myself in the Dai-WPLS LP farm over here. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I want to take my Dai, stake it in here, the Dai that I get on a passive income basis from referral rewards. I want to add that in here and then take the spark that I earn in here and then go to the sparkler and then put that in here. Okay, so you guys noticed I made about, like in my last video, I calculated about 0.2% a day in spark rewards from the amount that I put in yesterday, right? So I made roughly 2.6 spark yesterday. So I added those 2.6 sparks in here. Overall for the month, I was supposed to make around $11, right? Now it has gone up a little bit more because now I added some more in my farm. I had 116, then I added $200 in here, so it was like at 100. It was around $203 this morning, and now it's at $212. And the reason for that is because the price of Pulse is going up, I believe. Yeah, as you guys can see, the price of Pulse has gone up 2.57%. So because the price of Pulse has gone up, the LP price has gone up. That's why the token of the Warren token price is at 0.01616, and that's why the value of my Dai-WPLS LP in this form is 212, which technically is increasing the amount I'm making on a daily basis. You guys can see over here it's 66.01%. So that's about 0.18% that we're making on a daily basis. And if you do that, divided by 100 multiplied by $212. So that's around 38 cents that I'm making daily. It's really nothing crazy, but I'm looking at this long term, right? So if you guys don't remember what my strategy is going to be, let me just give you a quick, super quick recap. So I add my referral rewards that I'm getting from Warren to support the Sparkswap ecosystem and support my bag over here. So I'll put the Dai-WPLS LP in here, okay? Then I earn some Spark rewards, which go directly to the Sparkler. Then adding it to the Sparkler, now I'm increasing my APR because it went from 0.18 to 0.20, right? It's a very small difference. But then when I take my rewards that I earn from here, I'm going to be earning Spark PLS rewards. Go back to the farms and put them in the Spark PLS LP farm. Right now over here, we're making 202%. So that becomes 0.55%, right? Now 0.55 on a very small number is not going to be a huge amount. I haven't calculated that yet because I haven't gone in yet, but it's not going to be a huge amount. But as I increase my position in here, the more I'm going to put in the Sparkler, the more I'm going to earn LPs on the Sparkler and put them back in here. And then the Spark rewards that I earn in here, I have two options. I can either put it back into the Sparkler, earn more LPs, and then put back in here, or what I could do is I can sell my Spark, but that's not really what I want to do, right? So what I do is I go back to the Sparkler, add some more in here, and then as time goes on, if I want to take profits for myself, then you see the Spark rewards over here. Then I take the Spark, add it back, and then take the PLS as rewards. Basically, that is going to be the gist of what I'm going to be doing. When I take the Pulse as rewards, I have multiple options. I can put them in the Pulse farms. I can put them in the Warren protocol. I can put them, yeah. So actually I could do that, right? I can go to the Warren protocol, go to the bond tab, zap LP, select some Pulse, and just add it to my Dai-WPLS LP farm over here, right? Create more Dai-WPLS over here, and then stake it if I want to. I could do whatever I want to. But all this to say is I added a bit more in my position. The first day I had $160, I think, worth. Then I added another 40 bucks in here. So technically I added 200 bucks, but it became 212 with the appreciation of WPLS. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. I mean, I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. The liquidity is going up 3% daily. Everything's going well. Hope you guys have a great day with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.